Hey there, beauties. Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we unravel the beauty world one product at a time. If you've been on the hunt for an eyeshadow palette that promises versatility and longevity, the blinc Rare Gem Eyeshadow Palette has been catching some attention, and I wanted to see if it really lives up to the hype. This palette comes with 12 shades, all in a neutral color story, featuring a mix of matte, shimmer, and metallic finishes. It's designed to be creamy, blendable, and highly pigmented, plus it's gluten-free and cruelty-free, which is always a win for conscious beauty lovers. Right out of the box, the palette feels sleek and compact, perfect for travel or just tucking into your vanity without taking up too much space. The shades themselves are surprisingly rich for a neutral palette, ranging from soft, subtle tones to deeper, more dramatic hues. I also noticed that the formula is buttery and soft to the touch, making blending much smoother than some other palettes I've tested recently. When I put these eyeshadows to the test, I tried them on both bare eyelids and over a primer to see how they would hold up. The creamy texture allowed for easy layering without any patchiness, and even after several hours, the colors stayed vibrant without creasing. The metallics really pop under light, giving a sophisticated shimmer, while the mattes provide a solid base for natural looks or smoky eyes. I also appreciated how effortless it was to transition from a daytime subtle look to something more dramatic for the evening. Now let's talk about the highlights and a few minor drawbacks. On the plus side, the blendability is fantastic, pigmentation is strong without being overpowering, and the variety of finishes gives you creative flexibility. The packaging is durable, and the palette feels high quality in hand. On the flip side, because the shades are compact, it can be tricky to dip brushes in without getting a little fallout if you're not careful. And those with very deep skin tones might wish for a few darker neutrals to really complement their look. In terms of value, this palette sits in the mid-range price-wise. Considering the quality of the formula, the pigmentation, and the cruelty-free aspect, I'd say it offers solid bang for your buck. If you've tried palettes from brands like Tarte or Urban Decay, this one holds its own in both blendability and finish, though those higher-end palettes might have slightly more complex color stories. The build quality is sturdy, and the compact design is travel-friendly, which makes it easy to carry in your bag or purse without worry. Each pan seems resilient enough to withstand daily use, so longevity isn't an issue here. I haven't personally interacted with blinc's customer service, but the brand is known for being responsive and attentive to inquiries, which is always reassuring. If you're considering a slightly more budget-friendly alternative, there are palettes from ELF or NYX with similar neutral tones and finishes. However, the creamy, blendable texture of blinc Rare Gem does feel a bit more luxurious, so if texture and ease of blending are priorities, this palette may be worth the investment. So here's my take. This palette genuinely delivers on pigmentation, blendability, and versatility. It's well suited for anyone who loves neutral shades but wants options for both day and night looks. It doesn't overpromise, and it gives you a high-quality, cruelty-free palette that feels professional without breaking the bank. If you're enjoying this review so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest, expert reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching, and if you've tried the blinc Rare Gem Eyeshadow Palette, drop a comment below and let me know your favorite shades. The link to grab this palette is in the description or comments box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.